Hey everyone, happy Sunday. I thought I would come on and say hi. I'm still having my morning coffee and it's, I think it's like almost 3 o'clock. Anyway, how's everybody doing? I wanted to say hi and tell all my students, my family, my friends how much I miss you. Social distancing is not getting easier, but it's necessary, so hopefully we're all paying attention and following the guidelines as best we can. It is raining out today and I'm kind of feeling lazy, so I thought I would come on and film a really quick aromatherapy project you can do if you have these oils. This is going to be about, let me move the liquor out of the video. Sorry. Have to make this quarantine fun. Anyway, so super fast body oil that you can use after you get out of the shower or the bath, and it's going to be 3 ingredients. All you need is jojoba oil. I just picked this up from Whole Foods. You can get it anywhere online. Jojoba oil is awesome. The composition of the oil is a lot like the oil of our skin, and the shelf life is basically like unending. It doesn't go rancid or sour or anything. You can keep jojoba oil up in a cupboard for a long time, very long time. Okay, a bottle. Okay, ideally when you're making aromatherapy projects, you do want it to be glass, but right now all I have is a plastic one. I ordered these on Amazon too, and it has a little flip top that I'm just gonna after the shower, squirt some in your hand. So you need one of these too. The 2 essential oils that I'm going to use are Neroli. So Neroli is from the bitter orange tree, and actually the ancient Egyptians used these when embalming and mummifying bodies. But anyway, Neroli is, as far as the skin, it's an inflammatory, so it'll help with inflammation, redness. It's very healing. It will soothe stretch marks. So, why not put some of this on after the shower? And it smells so beautiful. This is such a special oil, kind of like a natural sedative, actually, very alleviating to anxiety. And I know a lot of us are feeling that. So if you can get yourself a bottle of Neroli, I would suggest now is the time, even though it is very expensive. I'm not gonna lie. doTERRA doesn't sell it, unfortunately. There's a few companies online that I shop from, Floricopia. This is actually just now. I don't know if you've seen that line. Do your research and just make sure they do thorough testing, and it's therapeutic grade oil. So Neroli. And then lavender, of course. Lavender is the all-around oil that anybody can use. It's very balancing to our emotions. And during this time, we all need some balance, right? Very soothing, very calming. And again, beautiful scent. So this together is going to be my body oil. So I'm going to take the jojoba oil. This is how easy it is. Why not do this stuff, right? When we're hunkered down at home, make yourself a natural, beautiful product. You don't have to pay much for it. I'm watching how much I fill this up. You only want to fill it up, no more than to the curve of the bottle here. So basically I'm finishing this one. This is like a 4-ounce bottle, but I don't know. Doing these kind of projects for yourself, making something special for yourself, soothing, is just very comforting in and of itself. Just doing this, it just feels good. I like it. It's very calm. Okay, so Neroli, I'm gonna, as expensive as this oil is, I am gonna put about 30 drops. So counting here, you wanna, get the full effect of the oil, and I'm not going to chintz on this. You're making it, so make it be a nice quality oil. But this will last. You won't need much to massage into the skin. I also did a little video, it's on IGTV, of my favorite skincare products currently a while back. I need to do another one of those because I love finding new products, and I really need to share that more with you guys because it's fun, right? Especially as women, we want to find our tips and tricks to beautify ourselves and feel good inside and out. So it all helps. I think I'm about at 20, so let me do 10 more. It's dripping a little bit slow. So I hope you guys have been doing your yoga practice while we've been gone. I really miss my class. I can't wait to get back into teaching, and just thinking about putting myself out there even more. I need to really share the gift of yoga more in meditation and show up on here more on my social media, and just give back more, whatever I can. Nothing is more fulfilling than helping people. So, and then, okay, lavender, I'm going to do 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I just kind of use my intuition when I'm honestly making my aromatherapy products, and then you kind of want to just twirl it around here. There's a debate on whether or not you should shake the bottle. I'm just going to kind of twirl it around. Where's the cap? Oh, look at this. I put the cap on my jojoba oil. Don't do that. Okay, close it on tight, and then I'm just going to give it a little shake, twirl it. I love that it's raining out on a Sunday. Honestly, I think rain is so beautiful and cleansing, and I love the sound of it. I like to take a nap. All right, so let me smell it. Oh my God, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Let me put some in my hand. And again, if you don't have neroli, you can just use lavender, maybe a little bit of sweet orange. Smells really nice. Oh my God, it's so beautiful, you guys. I love it, love it, love it, love it. You can use ylang ylang is another really pretty floral scent along with lavender. You want to do, the oils that are nourishing to the skin. I'll put a post on that too. So yeah, this is it. Made a beautiful body oil today. Quarantining at home on Sunday. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you're doing all right. Stay strong. Do your self-care practices, your prayer, your meditation, your yoga, and we're going to get through this day by day. But do know that it is a practice, right? You have to actively help yourself through this, right? Don't allow yourself to sit and curl up in a ball and be frightened of all of this. Actively do your practices. Get on your mat, go for a walk, call a friend, do a Zoom call with your family, read a book. So much information is out there. You could learn a new skill. Don't forget to take the action to get yourself out of a funk, right? Because I know it's easy to fall into that. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little video, and I hope to see you soon. Miss you. Thanks for watching.